Alright, taking a video of the space in Nevada. This is the kind of the entrance we have here. It'd be much nicer. Lori with just a simple desk and her machines, fax machine, printer behind her, whatever. Put something on the wall there, on the wall there. This is that entrance area. Right off the entrance area, conference room. Put a TV on the wall in here. Nice conference room. Down the hall, two offices here to the right. Just put a wall up. They're already originally configured that way. There's a break room. And then two bathrooms. One for a boy, one for the girl. And then here is the two back offices, both to the courtyard. They just reconfigure the walls very easily. And these sliders open up out into the courtyard. And then those two would be offices. So we would have 4 offices here in the back and a conference room. All right, there we go.